Alright, so welcome back, Bougie Nation, Bougie people, BoujeeBecky back again. Happy New Year. If you didn't hear me say it, now you hear me say it. So we're starting off the new year right with some healthy breakfast. What we're making is cornmeal porridge. So we're starting off with 3 cups of water. So we put it in to our normal boiling pan, and then we add some cinnamon sticks and some cinnamon leaves. So that's what I'm going to do in the next clip. Cinnamon leaves and cinnamon sticks. Add it to the water. Then we allow it to come to a boil. So we're using Indian Girl brand cornmeal. So we're using 1 cup of the Indian Girl brand cornmeal. So I have more. So yeah. Okay, so when the water starts boiling, you add your coconut milk, right? And then when you start smelling your cinnamon leaves, then you add your cornmeal. So while you're pouring it in, you mix, because you don't want any clumps. Once you get clump in your porridge, it means you cannot cook. So you mix, 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 you mix. Put it down and put your stove on low from the time you see the water start boiling, and you continue to keep it on low. So I've just placed in my nutmeg shells, and now I'm going to stir it. So 5 minutes, and then the cornmeal porridge is cooked.
What you give it in 10? Stand up there, make it get ready. Yeah, look fast. Stand up near it.
1 teaspoon of salt. Half cup of sugar for the sweetening. Porridge, you know, thick like myself. Hey, look at thickness.
Half cup of Lasco. Lasco vanilla mix. Liquid out in water. Half cup.
Look at that, people. This is gonna taste so lovely. It smells as good as how it's gonna taste. Where's the avocado?
Keep this up like this now. One cup of vanilla.
A toops of vanilla.
No, cup.
A toops.
Cup full of vanilla.
Some with nutmeg.
Pepper stroke and
mix. As Jamaicans, we either do bread or crackers for porridge, but I'm the crackers kind of girl. And even though cinnamon is in there, I like cinnamon water crackers. Yeah.